Have you ever seen one of these keyboards before? It's a keyboard that prevents wrist pain, but there's a lot about it that I wish was better. Here's my take on a better version. Before that though, let me explain why I even built this. In high school, I played a lot of tennis, which gave me wrist pain that only got worse when I became a software engineer. I did a lot of research on ergonomic keyboards to get rid of the pain, and I found a bunch, and they solved the problem, but I didn't want to learn how to use a lot of these because I still needed to use my MacBook in meetings. Not to mention, these keyboards could get really expensive. I eventually landed on this keyboard, which has the ergonomics I need, which is a split keyboard gets rid of the unnatural bend in your wrist, which was causing a lot of my pain. And then also the tenting lets you put your wrist in a neutral position, which got rid of the rest of my pain. But there is a lot about this keyboard which I wish was better. For instance, if you look at the top of this keyboard, there's tons of wasted space along the top and the sides here. Also, even though I have the wireless version, there is still a wire between the two sides, which adds visual clutter. Also, it's an all plastic build, including the bulky plastic tenting legs, which cost half as much as the keyboard itself. So if you buy the keyboard, it's $100. If you buy the plastic tenting legs, it's an additional $40 for two pieces of plastic. And so the solution that we came up with is this. It's a clean, minimal design. It's entirely wireless. There's a premium aluminum unibody with all the keys in familiar places. And lastly, it comes with this unique tenting mechanism, which allows you to get the tenting without all the bulk. And it also doubles as a portable case if you're trying to take this keyboard on the go. So far, we've built a working prototype made with our manufacturing partners that proves our design works and is feasible. The next steps is to raise the funds that we need to take the next step in manufacturing this keyboard. If you're interested in what we're building here, if you want to support the project, you can take a look at the Kickstarter. Also, if you just want to see how we go about building this and what it takes to manufacture a physical product, I'll be sharing everything we learn along the way in our Substack, and you can take a look down below. I'll put a link somewhere in the Kickstarter.